In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Stand store. This can be really helpful, so let's get into it. To start, you're going to log into your Stand store. You'll end up on your home screen where it shows you all your stats about the income you're making, your leads, and everything else. And then you will go over to the left menu, click on settings toward the bottom. This brings you to your account settings, and here you're going to click on integrations, which is currently the second thing in the top menu. Here it shows you all the integrations that you can add to Stand Store. So we're going to go with this first one, Google Calendar, and it helps you make scheduling so much easier with Stand's built-in calendar and your Google Calendar all synced together. So what we're going to do is click connect, and that button will bring us up to sign into our Google account. So here we select our Google account we want to sign into and click on that. And here we're going to give access to Stan to connect to our Google account and access our calendar. So basically they want to access our Google account, and then we select what we want to give them access to. If we select all, we give them access to both view and edit events on the calendar, which they need to add our scheduled items to the calendar, and then see and download any calendar you access using your Google Calendar. So with either one of these, you can click learn more and see what that means. So basically here it shows that they can do all of this with your calendars. So if it has any info like personal contacts that you don't want Stan to have access to, you can unselect that. But that just gives you a little bit of information about what information Stan is going to get when you set this up. So you click done. And if you trust Stan with all of this information and you are comfortable with all of the data policies of sharing, you click continue. We have successfully integrated our Google Calendar, so that is really helpful. So if you go back to integrations, you always have the option to come back to this and click disconnect. If you click disconnect, it will just disconnect it so you're no longer connected. And then you can always add it back or switch to a different calendar, but having it connected is really helpful and will help you better schedule all of your calls and items with clients. This will be especially important if you are adding any sort of coaching call to Stan. As you can see, they are able to book times on your calendar. So you'll want to be able to have your Google Calendar connected to Stan so that all of this information is put on the calendar that you're checking on the regular so that it is seamlessly integrated into your life. Stan makes it super simple to integrate your Google Calendar with Stan. So I hope this video is helpful. Definitely subscribe to Create with Pennies for more videos on Stan Store and check out this one next.